everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting to solve the problems in which we have to compute the taxable earned leave. Mr. X is a resident. He was a manager in a private company. He retired from the service on 1st November. So he is retiring on 1st November 2022 after completing 25 years of service. So he has completed 25 years of service in the organization. His salary for 10 months preceding to the retirement was 36,900. For 10 months, 10 months salary was 36,900. He had 7,000 leave for his credit on the basis of 30 days, which was approved, and he was paid 27,300 as salary. So he has got leave salary how much? 27,300. And 7 months leave he had balance in his account. 7 months leave he had balance. Compute the amount of encashment exempt from tax for the previous year 22-23 if his last drawn salary is 3,900. So his last drawn salary is 3,900. So this is the question. Now let us try to solve the question. So first, this is the format. First, we will write the actual earned leave received. So he has received 27,300 rupees as leave salary. That I am writing it here. Next, the least of the following is exempted. Least of the following is exempted. So first one is actual earned leave. So first one will be what? First one is actual earned leave. First one is actual earned leave. Actual earned leave is 27,300. Second exemption is maximum amount. Maximum amount prescribed by the government is 3 lakh rupees. So an SSC can take the exemption in terms of leave salary only till the 3 lakh rupees. Maximum they can take up to 3 lakh rupees. Next, the third exemption is 10 months into average salary. The third exemption is 10 months into average salary. So we have to find out the average salary here. So what they have given in the question is his salary for 10 months. For 10 months his salary was 36,900. So for 10 months his salary was 36,900. So if you want to know the salary per month, we need to divide it by 10. 36,900 divided by 10 if we do, we will get 3,690. So that 3,690 I have to multiply with 10 months. So I will get 36,900 rupees. That is my third exemption. Next, the fourth exemption is approved period into average salary. So now I need to calculate the approved period. So calculation of approved period. So same two columns you take, particulars and rupees column. So leave entitled as per IT laws. Leave entitled as per IT laws. So how many years he has completed his service? 25 years of service. So he will get for each year 1 month of EL. So 25 years into 1 month, the total will be 25 months. Means he can take total 25 months as EL. So less leave availed by the SSC. How much leave has he taken? In question, they have told that he has 7 months leave in his balance. So balance is 7 months. So 7 months he has in his account balance. So that is his encashing. So 27 minus 7 will be 18. So 18 months he has utilized the leave, and remaining 7 months he has balance in his account. That is the meaning. So approved period will be 7 months into average salary is what? 3,690. If you multiply both, it will be 25,830. Out of these four, whichever is lesser, it is 25,830. That will be given as exempted EL. That will be given as exemption. So 27,300 minus 25,830, the remaining amount that will be 1,470. That is the taxable earned leave. The remaining 1,470 is taxable earned leave. This is how you need to calculate the taxable earned leave. Hope you have understood how to calculate this problem. In my further videos, I'll come back with some more problems related to earned leave. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next